Hello everyone, I'm Michael from Good Faith Energy. I'd like to tell you about an awesome story we have going on. We got a phone call from John Bunker Sands Wetland Center about a year ago. They wanted to have somebody come out and take a look at a project for them that was pretty interesting. We found that actually what they had was a solar system that was powering an off-grid camera system. That then led to this great project of us coming up with an off-grid solution to be able to power the camera system so that people all across the world could actually go to YouTube and watch eagles as they nested and as they actually created life.
Did you even know that bald eagles were here in Dallas? At our core, Good Faith Energy is a social enterprise. So when we heard that they were needing a partner that has solar and battery experience to come help them set up an off-grid camera system that had been out for the last 6 years because of a faulty electrical installation, we jumped at the opportunity to get our hands dirty, get in with these guys and help them get this camera project back up and running. Good Faith is about leaving the planet better than the way in which you found it. Every investment that we make as a company, we make because we believe this is what is best for not only us, not only our community, but also Mother Earth. As you can expect, it takes a lot of partners to make a project like this go successful. We want to thank the generous grant of Catherine D, Micah Steelworks for setting up all the IT and the radio transmitters, Primoris for bringing the crane out, Dan Lipinski for doing all of the engineering behind the off-grid system, and Aaron Bell and Michael Solano, Good Faith Energy employees, really putting in all the hard work, getting up on that crane and making sure that that system is operational.
During the process of actually going up into the crane, me and Aaron stopped and we looked up and we actually got to see the female eagle flying around above our head. It was amazing. It was the first time we both had ever seen an eagle in person. So it was just an experience that was really near and dear to our heart, and we'll cherish it forever. From the bottom of my heart, I would love to say thank you to everybody that was involved with this project. I really appreciate it.
So if you want to check it out, go to the John Bunker Sands Wetland Center YouTube page. It's in the links below, and you'll be able to check out this 24/7 feed. If you haven't already subscribed, make sure to hit the subscribe button below. Like this video if you enjoy getting this educational and inspiring content in renewable energy. Share this with your friends and family so they can also understand and learn the benefits of these green technologies. Comment any of your questions and make sure to check out and stick around for our next video, the episode 2 of Tesla Solar Roof.